trusting your spirit. Yes, yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Maker from makergeneration.net. Today we see a small tutorial on how to show something on an LCD screen that we have here, and all this with an Arduino Uno board. So it's not the first time we've seen it, but we make a special tutorial on it, explaining the different setting of that board and what we can do with it. So have a look here. You can see on the first line it's written Maker Generation. On the second line it's written WhatsApp. So I'll show you how to show things on the screen. So let's change Maker Generation. Let's type let's go that July 2019, and let's go for Thursday. And you see that we show you on the first line July 2019, and the second line it shows you 2019. So we just need a few seconds. So have a look here. So this is what we want. So I show you this in a minute. I also have another code here to show you how we can scroll the cursor. So let's not talk too much, and I show you that. So you see how it moves. The cursor moves around. So have a look here. So it's moving around. So in this tutorial I show you everything step by step how to do it. You see the cursor moving from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. We see in details all these things. Let's start. So if you haven't do it, you can download the IDE, Arduino IDE online. So you go to Arduino.cc, go to download, and it depends if you have Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So then you download what you need to download. So for me, I'm running Windows, so I go here and download it. So it's like installing every type of software. You click next and next until you're ready. And we start with the Arduino. So you can, I don't know if it's included or not in the Arduino. I think it does come with it. If not, you can just I can put a link there down in the description for you. You can download it. I can show you how to install a library. So you go to Sketch, include library, zip. So because what you're gonna download is a zip file. So you're gonna click on that, and you're gonna find where it is, and click on install. After that, you'll be able to use the different you'll be able to create an object with a liquid crystal, and you'll be able to initialize it and type things on the screen. So there we go here. So these are the different pins we have on the Arduino board. So just you can connect the Arduino to those pins. So you can put also a link for the pins and the type of the LCD screen for you. So you can connect both of them, the Arduino board and the LCD screen. And let's go here. So it's gonna be 2x16 screen, meaning you have 2 lines and 16 columns. Each column you can display a letter. So to start, when we start in the setup, we got LCD screen. So it's gonna show for us July 2019. So you can change it in whatever you want there actually. And then we got void loop. So LCD is set cursor, so we can move the cursor after that. So we decided to go to the second line, and we started at the row at the column 0, and we write Thursday. So it's gonna be alright, July 29, first line, second line, Thursday. So you can have a look on the video below. I'll show you that. And you can also decide to change the, okay, there it is. Sorry, you can also decide to have the cursor scroll from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. So there is a code. So what you will do, so this is the code, this code I found it online. So it allows you to show a letter that goes from, move the cursor that goes from the left to the right, and then from the it go to the second line and move from the left to the right also, and change the letter A, B, C, D. So just to show you how it moves from the left to the right. So here we're gonna start with initialization. So we're gonna be 2 rows, 16 columns. So LCD begin initialization, and we have the four loops. It goes from A to the letter Z, and every loops it kind of incremented, meaning it goes from A, B, C, D, T, Z. It does the same for the row and also for the columns. And do you remember this? Set cursors. Set cursor means it goes to the line we're in now, and you write this letter which is here. So this is how it goes. So not too difficult, but the easiest one is this. Oh, I'm sorry, no, it is. So the easiest one is this one. If you want to write something, LCD print, and you can write down whatever you want, and you can, because of set cursor, you can choose wherever you want to put it. If you want to put it on the 5th row, on the 5th column, I'm sorry, you can move it to the 5th, on the 1st line, the 2nd line, you can choose whatever you want, like this. So yeah, this is how it goes. So thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to the channel, leave comments if something can be improved. If you want another topic, let me know. I'll be happy to try to do what I can do for you guys, and with your pleasure, please. So please share it, and see you for the next video. Thank you.